Hi, Chef J here. Happy 2024 to you and your loved ones. I want to thank everyone for being part of the Chef J Cooks community. And if this is your first time here, welcome. For those new to the channel, I share easy, healthy Japanese recipe videos, which are mostly vegan or vegetarian, twice a week. I also host a monthly live cooking show. You can find more information about each of the recipe ingredients, cooking tips, and variations at my blog, chefjcooks.com. I also have digital products for sale, which include a kabocha recipe ebook, an onigiri fillings ebook, and my latest onigiri made easy online course. If you have any questions for new recipes or want to say hi, please leave a comment below. Thank you again for being part of the Chef J Cooks community, and wishing you a wonderful start to 2024 filled with happiness, success, and delicious moments.